Hi, today in front of me Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first, let's open the Muviz Edge application, and now we should find somewhere here one from these available tabs. Let's use this one for example. Click here to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds, just select the swipe it and select one from these availables. If you want to hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, slide this dot to the left or to the right side here to turn on or turn off the notifications and the date on your device lock screen. Just click here on the switchers. To use battery always while device charging or never, we should also make it here. Let's tap to the 6 icons, switch AOD to the settings, click to always on display. Now we can see here the shown on screen lock always while device charging on music. We can use these two features separately. We can switch here the screen timeout from 1 minute to never. We can increase or decrease the brightness level, and if you want to turn it off by double or single tap on the lock screen, make it from here. We can also close it with a fingerprint. Just click on the switcher to activate it or to turn it off. If you wanna close it also on screen off, click on the switcher. We can set also the shadow, the start and the end time, and if you want to disable the AOD option during the calls, click it just here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. That's how to customize always on display feature on our Oppo device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel if you like this video.